Today, we'll explore the specification and compare the features of Number 1 LG 2-ton 5-star AI Dual Inverter Split AC. Number 2 Carrier 2-ton 5-star Wi-Fi Smart Flexicool AC. Number 3 Hitachi 2-ton 5-star Inverter Split AC. Number 4 Lloyd 2-ton 5-star Inverter Split AC. Number 5 Panasonic 2-ton 3-star Wi-Fi Smart Split AC. To highlight their differences and help you decide which model best fits your needs. At number 5. Panasonic 2-ton 3-star Wi-Fi Inverter Smart Split AC Model Name, CSCUSU24ZKYWA. Build Quality. Materials: 100% copper condenser and evaporator coils with ocean black. Durability: Gold fin plus coating enhances longevity, especially in humid or coastal areas. Finish: robust plastic casing with a sleek, glossy white exterior. Design specifications: cooling capacity 6,000 to 6,500 watts, suitable for 200 to 250 square feet. Compressor: AI dual inverter for variable speed, quieter operation 30 to 35 dB indoor. Features: 6-in-1 convertible cooling, 4-way air swing, HD filter with antivirus protection, Garroth mode for max cooling. Pros and cons. Pros: energy efficient with 5-star rating, low running costs. AI-driven cooling adjusts to room conditions automatically. Strong anti-corrosion build, ideal for coastal regions. Quiet operation, suitable for bedrooms or office. Cons: higher upfront cost compared to 3-star models. Installation may require additional charges for complex setups. ThinQ app setup can be tricky for non-tech savvy users. Target audience: urban professionals. Tech-savvy individuals in metro cities Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore who value smart features and energy savings. Families: medium to large households with rooms 200 to 250 square feet seeking reliable cooling. Price 74,999 Indian rupees. At number 4. Lloyd 2.0-ton 5-star Inverter Split AC Model Name GLS24i5FWGV. Build Quality. Materials: copper condenser, anti-corrosion coating on coils. Durability: golden fins evaporator for enhanced durability, sturdy plastic casing. Finish: elegant white body with golden deco strip for a premium look. Design specifications: cooling capacity 6,200 watt, fits 200 to 250 square feet. Compresso: inverter compressor with 5-in-1 convertible cooling. Features: antiviral plus PM 2.5 filter, 4-way swing, turbo cool mode, stabilizer-free operation. Pros and cons. Pros: cost-effective compared to LG Carrier for similar features. Energy efficient with 5-star rating, low power bills. Good air purification with antiviral filter. Silent operation, great for bedrooms 30 to 34 dB. Cons: no Wi-Fi or smart features, limiting remote control. After-sales service can be inconsistent in smaller cities. Slightly less advanced tech compared to LG or Carrier. Target audience: health-focused users. Those needing clean air in urban areas. Families: middle-class households in Tier 1/2 cities Ahmedabad, Lucknow seeking value for money. Aesthetic buyers: people who want a stylish AC for living rooms. Price 52,990 Indian rupees. At number 3. Hitachi 2-ton 5-star Inverter Split AC Model Name 3400 FXLRAS.G322 PCBIBF. Build Quality. Materials: 100% copper coils, robust outdoor unit with anti-rust coating. Durability: designed for high ambient temperatures up to 52 degrees Celsius, strong build quality. Finish: Premium white finish with a sleek, understated design. Design specifications. Cooling capacity. 6,000 to 6,300 watts, suitable for 200 to 250 square ft. Compresso. Inverter compressor with expandable plus technology for adaptive cooling. Features. Ice clean self-cleaning, 4-way swing, dust filter, super slit fins for faster cooling. Pros and cons. Pros. Excellent cooling performance, even in extreme heat. Self-cleaning feature reduces maintenance hassle. Energy efficient with 5-star rating. Durable build, ideal for long-term use. Cons. Lacks smart connectivity, a drawback for tech-savvy users. Service network weaker in rural or Tier 2 cities. Higher initial cost for a non-smart AC. Target audience. Hot climate residents. People in northern India, Rajasthan, up, with intense summers. Commercial users. Small offices or shops needing reliable, low-maintenance AC. Traditional buyers. Those who prioritize cooling performance over smart features. Price 62,300 Indian rupees. At number 2. Carrier 2-ton 5-star Wi-Fi Smart Flexicool Inverter Split AC Model Name CAI24EE5 or 35W0. Build quality. Materials. Copper condenser coils for efficient heat transfer, durable plastic body. Durability. Hydrophilic fins for corrosion resistance, sturdy outdoor unit. Finish. Modern white design with a minimalist look. Design specifications. Cooling capacity. 6,200 W, ideal for 200 to 250 square ft. Compresso. Inverter compressor with Flexicool technology for adjustable cooling. Features. 6-in-1 convertible modes, HD and PM 2.5 filter, auto cleanser, smart energy display. Pros and cons. Pros. Flexible cooling modes save energy based on need. Smart energy display helps monitor power usage. Effective air purification with PM 2.5 filter. Reliable brand with good after-sales service in urban area. Cons. Some users report installation delays or inconsistent service in smaller towns. Outdoor unit can be slightly noisy, 50 to 55 dB. Premium pricing may deter budget-conscious buyers. Target audience. Tech enthusiasts. Young professionals in cities like Pune, Hyderabad, who prefer smart home integration. Large families. Households needing cooling for spacious living rooms or halls. Health-conscious users. People in polluted cities, Delhi, NCR, who prioritize air purification. Price 55,990 Indian rupees. At number 1. LG 2-ton 5-star AI dual inverter split AC model name USQ24PNZE1. Build quality. Materials. 100% copper condenser and evaporator coils with ocean black protection for corrosion resistance. Durability. Gold fin plus coating enhances longevity, especially in humid or coastal areas. Finish. Robust plastic casing with a sleek, glossy white exterior. Design specifications. Cooling capacity. 6,000 to 6,500 watts, suitable for 200 to 250 square feet. Compresso. AI dual inverter for variable speed, quieter operation, 30 to 35 dB into. Features. 6-in-1 convertible cooling, 4-way air swing, HD filter with antivirus protection, Durath mode for max cooling. Pros and cons. Pros. Energy efficient with 5-star rating, low running cost. AI-driven cooling adjusts to room conditions automatically. Strong anti-corrosion build, ideal for coastal region. Quiet operation, suitable for bedrooms or offices. Cons. Higher upfront cost compared to 3-star models. Installation may require additional charges for complex setups. ThinQ app setup can be tricky for non-tech savvy users. Target audience: urban professionals. Tech-savvy individuals in metro cities Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore who value smart features and energy savings. Family: medium to large households with rooms 200 to 250 square feet seeking reliable cooling. Price 55,490 Indian rupees. General notes on target audience. Room size: all these ACs are ideal for medium to large rooms 200 to 250 square feet common in Indian urban homes, offices, or shops. Climate: best suited for hot and humid regions north, west, and coastal India, with Hitachi excelling in extreme heat. Economic factors: 5-star models LG, Carrier, Hitachi, Lloyd appeal to those prioritizing long-term savings, while Panasonic's 3-star model suits users valuing features over efficiency. Economic factors: tech adoption: best suited for hot and humid regions north, west, and coastal India, with Hitachi excelling in extreme heat. All product links are in my bio, check them out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget: like, share, subscribe.